Many brother na akonya na aba sa metimi akasa ama memman anu ti na megina ai na haya megina yi free anyinam adia minister mo sudie ba ja sa jinsem bana do minister ba no suda o minister ba ya ja sa bo so be na kra do nyan yi no ko egalam se no sudia e sa jinsem eteno na ekanya ame Emma me de sorry ahemachi de bedu hayi ye me sane akọ abato no me bossa o se ye nyina se obeti Ghana fo eti media se me gina hayi me gidi se ye de kwa se obeye Japan na na be kire se obeye Japan na se Japan mampeni na ye nyina o mampeni no wo ye nyina ye foda no ye nyina ye ja no ti ye ne ma nesa bibi to ye ni esu ye de aba ni ma so ye Japan dia na was sorry no hwe ma se da bia ekoi ensuo de eyenkwa ensuo ma eyenkwa ma obiara eni se wanye de nkwa ensuo was timi no se ye first no ye koko ye Japade na ye nanano owuja ye ho no ana Japade koko na ne obo Ghana ese koko oman no se ye tucha koko ni na gu because of kalam se ese sade we so wantie ye na so wan so ma ye dia na je se wonu mi na ye po eminim se eso ente sa no odire se so what ya obeso yesu je no obedi amai na ye demonstrations bebre awo man na so yentim na ayi ade a abaye enkanka bi ayantwe ya e ba beto man so ama omai ya hu ati ye payi eye Ghana for fight against Galamsey lada okatachia se say when you know so say obe near the ebe need this but enye katachia fight eye Ghana for fight.
So no me mo bibia akwa aba eba too maji echaso ebraso na ya be pie mu e circle of brass sport ni nyina no aye demonstration led by Katachia Fifa ni wochirem say stop Galamsey now sa demonstration yi mu anya ya be pie mu nyina so enim say Ghana ha enye neda edi kan ya sa de we asi etesi bebre na so Katachia chirem a ono ne de petition de ko Flagstaff House nti enye mo betumi aye kama sa de nti ne ya be pie mu e circle of brass sport wa Chema ye cheno kopim so ba bedu na de wode magana fo mi na wode adom ka no ala do we ra ensem no too much suni afani e shamia obodi na subscribe like na share video no e fama me na fa so ba don so say be ya de betu bia no wo be nya bi ade ahwe ka no ala do ye mu very I was just stop Galamsey now. I didn't see any way to me.
Ya bokure. Many abre pa se de okano na. Many bre ya chemu na akonya na aba. Sa metimi akasa. Ama memman. Anu ti na megina ai. Na haya megina yi free anyinam. Yes. The free anyinam we say afra ha na meti. That's why anyinam na me free. Ya friends will be brave. And you know, you be sure they bring one and sure can see our papa Subata, and once I saw in our time. As Supreme will be any, and no two Bremoa, other than Futru. In so time, as I said, sugar crab, the Swada at a Chaninti, and so on. Many fear in Colabra, and you push you. And you never grow in a frame and a mayu. And let your water. That's your water now. Oh, if you know anything on the bar, okay, demonstration is on the bar. Yes.
About him said demonstration, and then you do kind of yes, Galamsey with demonstration. And today, when you're a summer, I know that's a cafeteria, you're betting my no, some demonstration back when I found another time. Na se bita frache na me around ultima mabi na we die me around ana uhwemu a ene die no
Aje ko ana aje nsem. Ade a minister mo su de. What does aje nsem? Mana do minister ba no su da. O minister ba ya che sa bo so be na kra no nya ye. No ko egalamse no su dia. Aje nsem. Ete no na ekanya ame. Emma me de sorry a ma chi de be du hai. Ai
I watch a young say what about the not petition for a copy of what staff house. We did this never mamma and suck petition.
Pato Sabredi.
I have petition. I do what staff house I do. Never mamma and suck petition. We did this a sign.
Oh, me did this. Sir, you have Sunday about to honor. The best say you know, say, Betty Ghana for. It's in media, say, Mikina. Mikiti say, yet the choir, so obey Japan, and then the bachelor obey Japan, I say Japan. And then you, some of the time, Momo, it's when I say, me tell you, me didn't Mustafa Abubakar. I can't wear me no. Also, yes, I said it to one far to one free talk.
What I say, so brother Maya,
and someone to home Makumam. Some way now, about women, I just want to dress cars and what kind of money.
And I have a PMO circle or brass sports. Didn't I and Galamse once and somewhere? You're at a chef if I bet you and Ramia demonstration. When I see him say, I never did Kaya, Galamse with demonstration. And you are so bad Ghana for Yenya, Secretary, the bet to me.
Yo, Madam, as your friend, or didn't watch my accountable the full soldiers, the whole Ghana, I'm going to be able president. Now, me who say, Minya, okay, the chairs are no. I saw say you to I walk from no. I was here to my body to man. The Indian they fight it. They say, first they are not ya in the same way. So a jar is a footy jar. Sado is so channel, Obetia May. The minister now casa a suit ya. Then he said, on my penina nephew suture. And to the ma, sa petition I ever said the court on my penina. I said, Minister, I didn't say, want to me a review. 20 million man penina na man penino we na ya father no e na ya jano si e ne ma na say bibi to ye ni esu ye de abale ni ma so ye japade a na wo so osore na wo hwe ne ma se da bia ekoi ensuo de eye nkwa ensuo ma ye nkwa ma obiara eni se wanye de nkwa ne ensuo wo so timi no se ye first no ye kokko ye japade na ye nanano owuja ye ho no ana japade kokko na ne obo Ogana ese koko omaino tisi e tucha koko ni na because of galamse tisi ano ama hanu aye galamse kuro we chana for ba we Africa ba Abidjan for ba obi e ba betu galamse dey ntina wase basa aye ti e mamu na manfo mfie mamu e betu galamse no mu say yensuo me yensuo no first no koko no oko wiem oko duba bia bo ze koko abai e pugu for ma na gu nsuo so obo ne say ano se bia no isi awuti ni yesa bi e so mukara message ntine adiwe no yenim se okokoti na okokoti ni enya ya kai ho bomu no ya dipedi e mapedi ho a ya ma ba ni nsa obetie ye na obefuata na obaye ye ko so ada mai se le ba kara ko obetu papo ese sa first one obetu papo ne so no ababia na wo ko ti papo mai and ye besra ne se we enya ze bia ne ma eni yesu atre no se da me se eya mene eya kuwe ama cancer ama yade e boy e wo kana ha esisia so skafin no yade ba sa babo wa ka ho ene mu so ka ba no ntino and yesra no se we put you so ma won fa ye aduma se minister no ene ntimi ye na aduma ye a won change no no fa ni bebe bra minim se andi se wo kuda mo ho a wo mutuma ye aduma no eye ni baba ko enye sa ebe ma ni minister bi ana se ne pani mu bi baba na aduma na wo pa so ye no enye aduma wo pa yes sa adi we so wan tie ye na so wan di so ma ye dia na je se won wo mi na ye pe minim se eso ente sa ni o di de se so wo tie a
obeso yesu che no obedi amai
But as a papa, so I did bread and my that's a power. I don't feel me go so and the more I adventure. Come home, I brought the to mama. Let me who the casa got a chef for what's the power? Me are the Siana.
Okay, the chef for Oyeminia. Nelson, many different about Papa. Nelson, why you could need to be all you could need. It's in what you say, or you come with Jano, and they come my hair, and Mamma for the capacity. I am a little for some seminar.
Demonstration, I went there because I never play. And you are so bad, you were saying that the chef for the society.
But that's been about. You said you now can. I had demonstrations, but Nelson. Idea abe enkanka bi ayantwe ya e ba beto man so ama o man ya hu ati pai na so enka se we aye bi anye ye aban no twa mu no we aye bi anye ye eti ada ye be ko so ye pede wo because aban we ba no o bi hu se galamse no enkoye ano wo kunya a o mu ni mo na won bi sa juma no to me boye ame yakosa hokko e di ye say John Dramani mama nyina se e di kwa so a e no me say ye say yensio ye kwaye no e say e di kwa so ya ba ti e ba be ye kire e de akire aban no ye nkwatuo ye nkwajan ye nkrasekan ye nkrabo ye ti o man no emra so ene de demonstration ni ti o man prani say na ni di kwa so ne ni pay for o mu ne bi for that say na e ku ye bai
me da se papa ya wo so ya wa atwe ye bu ye twan na wo didi ye se petition you could do flat staff house say na go
papa me da se pa me ye nipa bi a owura John Dramani mama I am a president we otidi oni mu pa yi we otidi oni mu o bi o ye listening government a very calm person we otidi se de akosu yi e bi otiti bebre na ye otidi yu se oguso ho tu one na mo na enso what me make be nche mi ehu sa na mo se no otuo ana mo se no otuo ni anu ti na so ya ba se ye be kai no se e body o kai ye no se no afia ye kai no na me die we otidi oni mu se demonstration akosu edi mo papa bi abebe o man Ghana for dey na ye nwa twe
na ye ba be de akosu o circle brass sport ha ye see demonstration led by Katachi FIFA ye nyina so enim se enye nne de di kan stop galamse akosu assurance ben ye wasa Katachi de betumi afs
sa unya unza ka se Katachi de ya na ba ko ye ne se bia nipa ba ko eye Ghana for fight against galamse la da Katachi ase se we you know so say obe need this but enye Katachi fight Ghana for fight enti maka eno no I say who say na o se kan galamse nkomo no ye di ache enye na ne be di galamse nkomo but enanu na bia no I say eti na o mu say nyema na ye pe no so ma anya ye ntina ho se bien fa se hu dem fo nga se oh ya kan mu finti no eni ye jaika I say akoso ane dey ye ka enti be koso aka and hopefully the fight against galamse a process this will be one of the demonstration contributing to the to yield the necessary results I hear.
So see I'm a petition at flat staff house. We did say every mama sa petition ya eba kwase. Sorry, you Muhammad ye. So ni sa petition ya and I was say me Muhammad abaso because who say obaye galamse na the team come be say nanga police for no percent o min janshi bi to so I dey call court ni yi ama it say attorney general akọ court akọ ka say o do munni anya the free court na o ma kwan enti no the willingness to even allow us demonstrate no a good sign it's I have to commend you for that. However, the fight against galamse no we need to be committed to it. You say a very big fight but you need the will, the political will from Yoruba Mahama where any day Engosiaga it's an say the petition you could obeso munso na wo hwem na wo say ye ba bro Ghana no send your come here say oba for Ghanaians the reset agenda no obegina so e dey reset galamse no ama galamse no ense yensase ense ye forest na so e be say boa amenya the needed resources and revenue from our gold deposits. Yeah, Katachi FIFA sending some Karabuti and Yanu Tresem. One of the himself from what the Yanka see you, Jayabako. One demonstration you that Tresem. ye papa bi a ye ba fa so ase ye kwa asase na se kwa ye nsa ya asase ye papa ye nsuo be fam ye pedi pa bi a mo be gina no sabe ya asase we se sansam na o ka ye no wo gidi se be ye gi
o se mi nia o man na ko ehia ye o ma ye gold o ma ye diamond o ma ye oil some resources on my say ye be use no can be a be Ghana for nyina enti me nya sure for Ghana ni bi o be ka say me nya ntu gold e fa mo o man no the can is anasi and can here I say ye tu you know the gold any dey nyankopon dey acha ye no say na be ya o e be tu ko we dey me fa ko ba bi we but Bible no no I say on man for be talent no especially talent no on ba ya bibi and be aka ho e bi dey go share asase ase o say ani anya dan anye ho it is a gold the way no all the mayer say am fa anti o man no pon na Ghana for na ani chirima abenya ho faso ani anya ne ani to dey betu na mom e kwa e be faso betu no and I say make sure say and say essence and say essence ase because essence was sense ase na e kwa na say and oh yeah no so I say because Galamsey na friend illegal mining no and go for tour to do na almost smuggle million say what sense na almost smuggler we don't get revenue from it I come for 4 bottom until I will say you preventing the smuggling and also the sustainable mining of Galamsey say na be ya you protecting environment no yes say the needed or necessary resources to develop this country
but as me bra say o je bra ni edi nkomo that I say wa kwanya wonya e dia man
Miss Smith I say mama me platform so Miss Macha ma din gaka
that's it you be say she me na me wa kwa ba de ba too much
me jo so dey
na ne ma mutu say
Adam who family bibi e kama ntino aka hona mu ni de kakra
hey na ora ye ba ye ni abehu ni ma bebre kwa so ha ye say demonstration stop Galamsey ye fi ase anso nyenne enti no wuti di said ye ba be koso ye say say be tumi aba
since say no say amman ne grompa I have the trust in me and hope in you say that be never because say ye na ye wa ode na esi nyina so na ya anye amman pe ko say Galamsey no e say o man na that be no enko fa na ba o chi no ma be hu say no omo mu di enim kan no omo ntimanya bibia amo man nti ene mpo say say amman na mi so o chi na bi na that be no and then say kaka pa e be nyina
na say ya no fabia ni braba na ani Jesus woni e cha niema no wodi di sekatache fifa na wodi ani mu no enti na ama odo bia be pie ma dodo be pie mu ana
kwami so na say but me dey me say simple say ono katache fifa no say enyo no the main issue is we want to fight this particular Galamsey issue because Galamsey cause a whole lot of havoc in Ghana. Until what I say, Africa or Tertiary, say, who don't run for no media, me was sent the bois. Now, Bell, yesterday, actually, I'm a before Galamsey, and I did it be probably brain.
They say, you see, if you have a PM of Flagstaff House, maybe a petition, one hour, somewhere. What did you say to me?
Oh, yes, because President Mahama, before so president in the second time, or promise yes or about Galamsey no on to us here because the previous government on try I want to man this government promises some about on to us here and we were Twitter President Mahama ministers tweeting some George and other people no and no one about Bambia and Pia so I will say to be a home so to Galamsey no I say to from
me ha ni ti awo wo na sabe o si program ni na ya adi na na ya kwaso
o hwe anya ni je ye ni bre ene ya wo mu ti se ya wo mai nu ana ya see NPP for ya den entumi ja Galamsey nti ya to aba mama eni si aba na se eni ti ba so no so no so enyi na se onu si obama ni ko to asa e ko dia ye dia ni bi be o yitire to ja se because o ti ga o di ere ke ko onu na ye ni ona fa machine o fa o ko na o ko ye ko to ni ni if you anything you want, any place you want, and now what did you say? And then na day the kaya yes see Galamsey so you also. And you don't just have to do it to me. Kakra. So come say ya no. Ya come. Wait, I know part to be there. I get to get there. Yeah, you know me say about Ghana to say the big one. So I just say because you so get that say you see my family watch it. You can number 1. But I say papa